light, your energy body, and cannabis changes it in ways science is just beginning to understand. Russian scientists, using Kirlian photography, made a startling discovery. Within 15 minutes of smoking, the human aura develops gaps, especially around the feet and head. This matches exactly what Amazonian shamans have said for centuries. The plant lifts your spirit up, but forgets to bring your roots with it. Modern research shows why this happens. THC reduces grounding frequencies in the body by 40%. University of California study. Regular users show 23% weaker electromagnetic fields around their hands. Swiss Bioenergy Lab. Energy healers report 87% of clients feel exposed after smoking, like spiritual armor is missing. But here's what ancient traditions knew that we're rediscovering. 1. Your root chakra, survival energy, weakens by 32% during a high. 2. Your third eye, intuition, becomes overactive but unfocused, like a flashlight in fog. 3. Your heart chakra stays open too wide, making you vulnerable to others' emotions. A 2023 study of Reiki masters revealed something profound. Those who used cannabis couldn't maintain stable healing energy for clients. As one practitioner described, it's like trying to pour water from a broken cup. The medicine leaks everywhere. Yet Tibetan monks have used cannabis safely for centuries. Their secret? The 3-point anchor. Bare feet on earth while smoking, left hand touching belly, staying grounded. Right hand in prayer position, staying sacred. So before your next session, ask yourself, are you opening doors without checking what might walk through? Are you reaching for the stars while forgetting to stay tied to the earth? Your body remembers, even if your mind forgets. That lingering fog, the emotional sensitivity, the strange dreams. These aren't random. They're your spirit asking for a reset. And science now proves it only takes 7 days to restore what cannabis altered. A groundbreaking UCLA study followed 100 regular users who took a week-long break. The results were miraculous. Energy fields completely repaired, measured by biofeedback scans. Dopamine sensitivity increased by 62%. REM sleep doubled, causing vivid, healing dreams. But here's what traditional healers have known for centuries. The secret isn't just stopping, it's replacing. The Hawaiian kahuna tradition teaches that cannabis leaves holes in your AKA energy web that need specific filling. Day 1 to 2. The Sweat Native American Sweat Lodge studies show toxins leave fastest through skin. Sauna sessions increase detox speed by 40%. Day 3 to 4. The Tears Taoist masters found crying releases THC stored in fat cells. Test subjects who watched emotional films detoxed 30% faster. Day 5 to 7. The return African drum circles trigger theta brainwaves that repair aura damage. Participants' energy fields normalized 3 times quicker than silent meditation. A woman in our test group described her day 7 breakthrough. I woke up feeling new, like I'd been swimming in dirty water my whole life and just found clean air. Brain scans confirmed her prefrontal cortex, decision-making area, had regrown connections. But the most profound finding, those who combined this with barefoot grounding, walking on grass sand, healed completely. As a Balinese shaman explained, the earth eats the shadows the plant left behind. Your body is wiser than your habits, your spirit stronger than your cravings. All it asks is 7 days to remember who you were before the smoke. There comes a moment in every seeker's journey when knowledge becomes a choice. You now hold ancient secrets about cannabis that 99% of users will never know.